Has the post office sorted out those mix-ups with our mail delivery? I keep getting letters addressed to the Great Pumpkin.
Yes, the pumpkin problem's been fixed. We installed a patch.
Dear Professor Vajmapaj, a strange thing happened to me when I sat down to write you this letter, which coincidentally was going to be about a strange thing that happened to me when I sat down to write you this letter. So what would you advise? Am I wrong to think it's none of your business? Or if I'm right about that, how can I tell you to MYOB without hurting your feelings? Please answer right away, before your program gets preempted.
Coming this to Who's a Day from Anachronistica Soapsploitation Publishers, the non-existent diary of Winchame Caller. Is she on Team Vichmakal or Team Vichmakal? Or is she just working the haunted donut stand at halftime?
Nothing Arizona's last station.
This Viscount has so many moods.
That doctor's a discoing dude.
Your monster's a riddling buffoon.
Our Vicar is over the moon.
Night work is a ball.
Here at Vichmakal.
Welcome to Grave Mood Rings. I lurk unseen here at Vichmakal, lying low, literally in the guise of a carpet, making an appearance only for the occasional game of footsie, which you might say is my Achilles heel. And yet I observe all that transpires. Oh, the stories I could tell. Ah, yes, here's a good one, conveniently marked for me by the discontinuity assistant.
Mr. V, how would you feel about ultra berry right side up cakes for midnight brunch?
According to our mood ring, the possibility startles us.
My ghostness gracious, I've never heard yourselves use the word startle before. It startled me when you said it.
Doing the math, that means Mrs. Collar is meta-startled.
I'm blowing my own mind. Well, I'd better go into a trance and get on with my automatic dusting.
So relax that you feel like you're drifting and floating through space.
Evening, Vicar. How goes the vicking?
Comme ci, comme ça, madame. We did not sleep well last night. There was a howling wind, and being something of a connoisseur, we could not help noticing that it was off-key. Then, just when things had settled down, we heard an eerie creaking noise, like a ghost descending toward our room, step by step. And then, Madame Collar, it spoke. Such clever singers in Bon Mot, yet somehow they seemed to belong in the previous episode.
Oh yes, that'll be the spirit of the staircase.
L'esprit d'escalier?
Sure, if that's the way your mind works.
Who's the most knackered?
Good night, Sphinxy boy. Good night, Winchame. Good night, Sphinxy Sue.
Morbid marshmallows ground with holler. Bon voyage, Papa Sphinx. Fin de siècle, Twinsy Bob. Good night, Vichmakal. Time to rise and shine.